Almatech is a space engineering company. We work for satellites, for launchers, and we develop part of structure, mechanisms, all of these things for space application. Half of the company is coming from EPFL, and obviously we have a very interesting network with professors and scientific collaborators. Then we have also access to test means, which is super interesting for us. Now we will work soon for Plateau, which is another satellite going in deep space for looking for new exoplanets. My dream project is obviously to go to an higher level. We are developing structure, mechanism, which are in a way components or subsystems, and we are looking to develop systems like scientific instruments or telecommunication means, all of these things.